Hi, thank you for joining me today. So, today marks the three-part series of my part four on getting into tech as a beginner. And today I'll be focusing more on the undergraduate aspect. If you're an undergraduate, that is someone still studying in school, you should not worry because you have a very clear roadmap to set for yourself. And then I prepared a mind mapping for you that will prepare you into what you need to do. So I will open this my mind mapping. Starting from here, you need to start early. Early preparations make better chances for you to excel. While in school, it is an opportunity for you to start early in your free time. Whenever you have the free time, you just start. You need to also balance your academics with tech. How do I mean by this? So what I mean by this is that as you are studying, there are still some spare time that you have. You know that you have some spare time, so you need to use that your spare time to look at the free learning courses for students. Students actually have a lot of benefits in the sense that if you have your student email, GitHub has some student program. Microsoft also has some student program. Amazon Web Services, the AWS cloud also have some student program. Google also has it. So with your student email, you're almost even benefiting more than those who are not in school. So you can use your student email to subscribe to most of these free courses. As I go along, I'll be bringing you some of these free courses as time permits. So and then the next one is skill development. Skill development is very key. You need to start exploring different tech fields. I mentioned yesterday in my previous video that we have a lot of tech field. We have cyber security, we have data analytics, we have cloud computing, we have DevOps, we have site reliability engineering, we have the tech support role. As a student, it is even more advisable for you to move from being a student immediately after your school into a tech support role, which will give you the ability to climb faster as you learn the basics in on your job. So another one is also that you need to build portfolio projects. Projects are built based on what is happening around you. If you look at your school and you know that there are something things mixing and your knowledge can you can use your knowledge to translate into what something tangible, something beneficial to others or even to the school. You can use that, you can build project with that. And when once you build your project, you can store them in on GitHub. GitHub is a cloud-based repository directory where you can store your or record all the things you have learned. Even in your school, I can refer it to as e-portfolio that enables you to showcase it to your potential employer after school or even while under studying. So now we need to attend boot camps. Boot camps are very a great opportunity for you to connect with your peers, even graduate those who are tech professionals who are working already. You can also use this boot camp opportunity to connect with them. There are lots of boot camp happening around the globe. You can attend them virtually online without having to transport yourself there. So that's totally free. All what you just need the internet and maybe your phone or your computer. So the next one is you need to. There are a lot of campus engagement. Campus engagement. Let me close out this. Campus engagement has some about three areas. You need to join tech clubs. The AWS has what is called student Cloud Captain Club, AWS Cloud Club. I'm going to showcase most of these things as I move around. So Microsoft also have Microsoft Ambassador, Student Ambassador program in school. So in fact, it comes with a lot of packages. And as a student, you also have an advantage of your email to subscribe to all these courses for free because when GitHub offers some free stuff as a student, Google also offer it, Microsoft offer it, then AWS, there's Amazon Web Services also offer some free stuff as a student. So with your student email, you can actually use it to subscribe to all this for free. So we need to volunteer for tech roles. whenever there's boot camp, and there's also always a call for volunteer for people to come coordinate the event. So, or maybe come moderate some sections. This is a very perfect opportunity for you to excel as an undergraduate. You don't even need to pay money; it's free. So most time there are always an event, maybe a conference that come a tech conference in Lagos, Nigeria, or even in other part of the globe. So where you can go and volunteer for free. So we also have you need to participate in hackathons. Microsoft just held Microsoft Imagine Cup with a huge amount of prizes to be won by students. So such prizes can be very beneficial to you as a student. So you can look out from this and then participate. So next one is professional networking. How do you now grow? You need to attend tech event just in connection with the bootcamp, still almost the same. You need to follow industry leaders. You need to also post LinkedIn learning on LinkedIn. So once you are learning, you need to build up your post, your social media post on LinkedIn. Make sure that you connect to industry leaders, those who have been there before you. Of course, you need some shoulders to stand on to grow. So that is what this is all about. So the next one is work experience. Now you need to start applying for internships. After learning, you need to start applying for it. And the internships, you should be willing to at least compromise by taking on unpaid roles, even if they don't, even if there are no paid offered to it, even if they don't pay you. So why? Though it is good, it is not too good because you need something to support yourself in terms of money, but then it's also an advantage to you for you to learn the ropes and then get something better in the future. So overall, this is what I have for you today. I look forward to connecting with you once again, maybe my part 4 series, which will mark the last one in this series. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.